Have you ever stared at a ruler, wondering about the tiny millimeter marks next to the bigger centimeters? Or seen a road sign in kilometers and tried to picture that distance in meters? This isn't just school math, it's the secret language of how our world is built, from a tiny screw to a giant highway. The key to speaking this language is surprisingly simple. It's all based on the numbers 10, 100, and 1000. Imagine a length ladder. At the bottom are tiny millimeters. You climb up to centimeters, then to our home base, meters, and finally to the very top, kilometers. Now for the golden rule. When you go down the ladder, from a big unit like meters to a smaller one like centimeters, you multiply. The number gets bigger because you need more of the tiny pieces to fill the same space. But when you climb up the ladder, from a small unit to a larger one, you divide. You're grouping the little pieces into bigger chunks, so the number gets smaller. Let's put it in motion. To turn 5.2 meters into centimeters, we're going down the ladder, so we multiply by 100. That just means sliding the decimal point 2 spots to the right. 5.2 becomes 520. That's 520 centimeters. How about going up? Let's change 450 millimeters into centimeters. We're climbing up one step, so we divide by 10. The invisible decimal at the end of 450 moves one spot to the left, giving us 45. This skill is everywhere. It's how a carpenter knows they need exactly 4 meters of wood to cut 5 80-centimeter pieces. You're not just solving problems, you're learning to see the world with precision. From a phone screen to a marathon route, you now hold the key.